Online Market hay còn được gọi ngắn gọn là GOM. Hiện tại thì mình đang đứng trước cửa hàng Holland & Barrett tại thành phố Norwich, nước Anh. Như các bạn đã biết đấy thì Holland & Barrett là một thương hiệu về thực phẩm chức năng chăm sóc sức khỏe hàng đầu của nước Anh. Trên tay Giang là một lọ collagen thủy phân. Như các collagen thường khác thì Hydrolyte Collagen có khả năng chăm sóc tóc, da, móng. Nhưng nổi trội hơn thì collagen thủy phân có khả năng giúp bạn giảm cân, chống lão hóa, bôi trơn khớp và cải thiện giấc ngủ. Giờ thì Giang sẽ đi hỏi một nhân viên của Holland & Barrett để chúng ta cùng tìm hiểu kỹ hơn về sản phẩm này nhé. Hello, I'm an ambassador of GOM. Really nice to meet you today, and I have a few questions about the hydrolyzed collagen for you. As women, we care a lot about our appearance, especially skin, hair. As advertised, this collagen helps create beauty from within. Can you please tell me more about the advantages of using this collagen?
Well, as you may already know, collagen is a protein found in the bones, muscles, skin, and tendons. It's got an important role in health, and our daily eating may not provide enough protein to compose collagen for the bodies. So this hydrolyzed collagen is really rich in amino acids, which helps compose new collagen in the body, and it also contains vitamin C to support collagen formation. It helps with the appearance of skin, nails, hair, and it adds to your healthy diet, increasing joint and bone strength and function, promoting digestion, as well as reducing anxiety and improving sleep quality.
Alright, yeah. So I can read from the instruction on the labels that take 3 caplets twice daily. Does this have to be any specific time of the day, like morning, lunch, dinner, before bed, or just take it whenever you feel like and when your stomach is empty?
Well, it doesn't really have to be any specific time of the day, as long as you allow a logical gap between 2 times of taking these capsules.
Alright, yes, thank you. So the first question for you is, will it upset my stomach in the long term because I need to take it when my stomach is empty?
It shouldn't be, but if you have a precondition of stomachache, there will be a case.
Well, so Asian woman, for example, look at me. Our general body size is quite small. Will the instruction that take 3 caplets twice daily still apply, or we should reduce it?
Well, our instruction is provided based on the average daily intake of an adult, so you should take the caplet twice per day and 3 caplets each time. The important thing is that you must not exceed the stated dose. If you take less than the stated dose, as you feel like doing it, it's not a problem.
Thank you. So, along with the hydrolyzed collagen, can I use other beauty products such as vitamin E, zinc, Vitabiotics?
Holland & Barrett's hydrolyzed collagen is 100% pure protein, so you can use other vitamins, but if you're taking any prescription medication, you must consult your doctor before using the product.
So, wow, look at this box, such a huge box. After finish one box, which means 180 caplets, shall I give my body a break before I start again, or can I just straightly go for another box?
Okay, so for food supplements, I'd advise that you take a short break before you start again, and that allows your body to readjust and help the hydrolyzed collagen supplement become more effective.
Alright, thank you. So, women who are in the pregnancy or breastfeeding period, can they use it collagen?
Well, if you're pregnant or breastfeeding, please consult your doctor or healthcare professional before using the product. I'm unable to answer that question for any particular person.
Thank you. So that was my final questions for you already. Any other information about this product you want me to take away with me today?
Yeah, this product's designed for adults. If you're under the age of 18, this product is not for you. Your body would not need it. And also, this is just a supplement to balance your diet. You should eat well and try and have a healthy lifestyle to get the most out of it.
Wow, thank you very much indeed for your cooperation. I'm sure a lot of Vietnamese women after watching this video will understand clearly about the hydrolyzed collagen and know how to use it correctly and efficiently. Well, thank you very much and have a nice day. Mong là mọi người sau khi xem video này sẽ có một cái nhìn rõ hơn về collagen thủy phân và sử dụng nó một cách hợp lý. Chúc mọi người luôn xinh đẹp. Cảm ơn.